Hello everyone, and welcome to Error Genie, your go-to channel for troubleshooting game issues with easy step-by-step solutions. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix the Indiana Jones and the Great Circle Renderer setup error, English Missing Vulkan Device Extensions issue on your PC. Whether you're playing through Steam or Game Pass, these solutions should work for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Update your graphics card driver via Device Manager. Open Device Manager, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Update the display driver. Expand display adapters to see your graphics card. Right-click on your dedicated graphics card, e.g. NVIDIA or AMD, and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select your graphics card, click Next, and let the installation complete. Restart your PC, if necessary. If the error persists, restart your PC after updating the driver and try launching the game again. Step 2. Perform a clean installation of graphics card drivers for NVIDIA users. Go to the NVIDIA drivers website. Enter your graphics card details and operating system, then click Search. Download the latest game-ready driver and run the installer. During installation, select Custom Installation. Check Perform a clean installation and proceed. Restart your PC after installation. For AMD users, visit the AMD drivers page. Use the Auto Detect and Install tool or manually select your graphics card and operating system. Download, install, and restart your PC. Step 3. Run the game. Using the dedicated graphics card, open Graphics Settings. Type Graphics Settings into the Windows search bar and open it. Add the game to Graphics Settings. For Steam users, click Desktop App, then Browse, then navigate to your game's installation folder. Select the game's .exe file and click Add. For Game Pass users, click Microsoft Store app, find the game in the list, and click Add. Set High Performance GPU. Once added, click on the game in the list, select Options, and choose High Performance. Ensure your dedicated GPU, NVIDIA or AMD, is selected. Launch the game. Run the game again and check if the issue is resolved. Step 4. Retry the first step after clean installation. If the issue persists after clean installation, repeat Step 1 to reapply driver updates. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the renderer setup error and enjoy playing without interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more troubleshooting guides from Error Genie. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming.